Me Donna's, me just cook up a brown stew chicken and gungo rice and peas. Let's dive into the ingredients. So this is the ingredients that me I gonna use to season up both my rice and peas and etc. My rice and peas and chicken. Add purpose from Jamaica, pimento, browning, salt, cayenne pepper. This is the dry gungo, carrot, scallion, onion, sweet pepper, and every little thing. Alright, so I'm gonna get into season up this is the gungo. I just wash half of the gungo that you just see. That was 2 pounds. So I wash 1 pound. I'm gonna add some pimento seed to it. Add a little bit in the meat. The seasoning is scallion, half an onion, 3 peg of garlic, and thyme. So I'm seasoning up the rice pot. Adding some salt. This is the coconut milk powder. And this is the coconut cream. It gives the rice a nice flavor. Coconut cream. Now add that to the pot. Clean up as I go. So I put the pot on the fire right now. This is some Jamaican jerk season. Yes, I'm seasoning up my rice pot. Yep. A little Maggi all purpose. And that's it. I'm just gonna cover this pot and let it cook. I'm not cooking this until tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, guys. So I'm just seasoning up the chicken now from overnight. That is Maggi all purpose, some salt, the Jamaican jerk season, yes. This is 10 pound of chicken. So you know we're going to need. So this is some cayenne pepper. Okay, so these are the cut up season, which is onion, scallion, thyme, garlic. This is the browning. So I'm going to just rub this up and put it in the fridge and let it marinate. So this is like 10 p.m. when I was seasoning this chicken, and I'm going to cook it like 7 in the morning. Okay, so I'm going to cover it up with this ceramic wrap. So this is in the morning. I'm just cutting up my carrots. So I wake up early at 7 o'clock because Obi have to get dinner to go to work. Well, lunch, but he's not having it until dinner. So I'm just mixing that up, and I add a little bit of oil in this pot. Gungo is back on the fire, guys. So I pre-cooked the gungo from last night, season it up and everything so it doesn't take up my time this morning. Yes, what's chicken? I put everything in the pot because this chicken is young chicken and it don't take long to cook. So I'm boiling some beets. Jamaican said beetroot, whichever way it is. The chicken I cook up. 10 pound of chicken is enough. And gongo a boil. Same way. So this is some Irish potato. Stew chicken without like a carrot and Irish potato now bang. Guys, something I want to tell you. I did not cover my pot yet When I put the meat in the pot, I spring it on water. I let it stay on high until it catch color. Take off all the skin when I was seasoning it. So, you give it that steam. I'm gonna add a little ketchup to it. And it want a little bit more browning. I didn't realize that the camera wasn't up higher when I was videoing. So I'm mixing that in right now. This is like 10 minutes in, and I'm just gonna cover the pot. Just let the chicken cook. So I'm adding the rice after the beans cook, or the peas, whichever one. Now I'm checking back on the chicken. Looks good, right? Yup. Still didn't add any water. So I cover it down, let it cook, and then I keep checking back on it, like every 3 to 5 minutes. The pot is on the fire is on medium right now. Watch gungo. Guys, the food almost ready. Please remember to hit that like button. I keep forgetting to ask you guys to hit the like button for me. Because I know sometimes you watch the video, but you don't remember to hit the like button. So I'm reminding you. I appreciate it. So the food done, guys. And tell me how my food look. Big up on a nice clean self. Thank goodness so much to watch. But guess what? I need to show you how I make my vegetable. Alright, so these are the greens. I use the small side of the grater to shred my carrot. Added my berries. This is blueberry, cranberry mixed up with raisin and all kind of stuff. Flaxseed and but guys, these things are good for you. So, when you consume these things, healthy. This is the beets. I boil it, let it cool, and then add it with a little olive oil. Mix everything in. I'm done cook, guys, and Obi can get his dinner to go to work. I mean, he leave afternoon, so I would say dinner. Yep, that is it. Thank you, guys. If you reach this far, God bless you and I appreciate you.